Oh, thank you.
And I'm wearing these Pixie Market trousers. There she is. You can Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I just got done getting ready really quickly, although I feel like I curled my hair a bit too curly. I feel like I'm going to prom or something. Just got ready to go for dinner. I think this week is just a lot of goodbye dinners and stuff like that, so this is the first. Very sad, but it is what it is. I'll just show you what I'm wearing quickly. I didn't have many options as I've packed most of my clothes into boxes ready to be sent to the UK, but I will show you what I'm wearing. So, wow, the background is so messy. There is no non-messy like area in my apartment at the moment because obviously we're moving, so everything is just everywhere. But I'm wearing my curated blazer, of course. Just a black mini dress. This is the Christie dress from Realization Par. It's just a really good little black dress when you don't know what to wear, such as this evening. And for shoes, I didn't want to wear heels because I think it's quite casual, but I wanted to wear a sandal, which is why I really like these lock sandals, because I feel like they bridge the gap of being flat, but also a little bit fancier than my other sandals. So that is what I'm wearing. Oh, and also Miss Soma necklace, and of course my ideal diamond earrings. I've literally not taken these out. Oh, it's not focusing. So I'll try and show you the earrings again. These are my ideal earrings. I've honestly not taken them out since the start of December. They've just been living in my ears and I love them. They kind of dress up every outfit, so I just keep them in and I love them. So anyways, I'll try and take some clips of dinner. We're going to a restaurant that I've wanted to try for quite a while, so I hope that it's good. And yes, I'll see you in a bit. Good afternoon, everyone. Had a bit of a slow morning today. I was supposed to go to my gym class this morning, but when my alarm went off at 6:40, I was kind of like, yeah, it's not gonna happen. And I went back to bed. So, you know, that's good, that's fine. We came back pretty late last night, so, you know, I feel like I can let myself off a little bit. By the way, the food last night was amazing. The restaurant itself is so nice, just like really good vibes. We were kind of talking about it, and yeah, it's just a really good place for like group dinners or even like dates. Just yeah, the food was good, the wine was really good. I'm not really like much of a drinker these days, but the wine was really nice. And yeah, I would highly recommend going if you haven't been already, but I must be like one of the last people in Sydney to go there. So today we've got a few errands to run, which you don't need to know about. It's like boring passport stuff. But I also kind of want to do a bit of shopping. There's something that I've wanted for years, which I might purchase today. I won't tell you what it is just in case I don't get it, but it is a handbag, so I'll give you that little snippet. So yeah, I'm gonna go and see and decide today if I am going to purchase it or not. So yeah, something to look forward to. And I'll also show you my outfit for today. It's very simple, but just probably one of my favorite outfits. I just love the ease of it, and I love how it kind of looks. So I'll show you. So I finally found a corner of my apartment that is not surrounded in mess. So here we are. Obviously totem tank that I wear all the time. I just love the cut of it so much. This is in extra small. And I'm wearing these Pixie Market trousers. These are I think they're called the Jamie pants, in this really nice kind of light beigey color. And I had to get them taken up, obviously, but yeah, I love the length that I got them taken up to. I think it's a really good length. And of course my Tony Bianco sandals, which are just the best dupes for the Roginza sandals. So yes, that's it. Very simple, but I really like it. Oh, and this Stowed bucket handbag, which I've had for like 3 or 4 years, but I absolutely love it. I think it just kind of finishes off the outfit.
Why the long face?
Because I didn't buy my handbag.
Why not?
Because it works out the same price if we wait and buy it in England.
So what are you gonna do?
Hello guys. Ooh, my mirror is really dirty. Hello. It is nearly 7 o'clock actually, so I haven't vlogged today, but we are going for dinner at 7, so I thought that would be quite nice to take some videos of. Today was kind of boring actually, that's probably why I didn't pick up the camera, but I did pick up my handbag, which... Should I show you? Yeah, I'll show you. There she is. You can probably tell what's inside because you can kind of see a bit of a dent at the top underneath the dust bag. But yeah, we picked her up today and I'm so happy. I've wanted this bag for years and years and years, so I'm really, really happy that I could finally pick her up. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will know what it is. So if not, you should definitely follow me on there. And yes, I will do a handbag video very soon as well, so you'll see it soon. So I will show you what I'm wearing. I feel like I'm wearing a lot of black these days, but I think that's because I've packed away most of my clothes in boxes to be sent back, so I don't have much choice, and I seem to have just kept all of my black pieces, but you know, it's fine. So this is a top from Mango. You would have seen it in my 2021 favorites video. I wore it in that video. So this is from Mango. It's like a knit, quite a thick knitted material. It's quite nice. And another silk laundry piece that I'm wearing is this silk skirt. You guys know I rave about these skirts. They're just cut so well that they just flatter your body really nicely. I've got it in like a light beige as well. And wearing my lock sandals again, just for a little something but still flat, because I just want to be comfortable. So yeah, do I need a necklace? What do you think? I think I might leave a necklace, leave it plain. I've got my earrings in, still from Ideal, the same ones. I honestly don't take them out. Yeah, I think I just need to put on lipstick and I'm done.
What you gotta say?
Cheers.
What's happening tonight?
We're having dinner in the Chinese Garden of Friendship restaurant, which is called the Gardens by Lotus. There's a baby crying. It's for a special event, nature illuminated. So I think they've got lots of nice lights in the garden afterwards.
Yay.
19, 20, 21, so now.
Okay.
Just okay, yeah.
The Brussels sprouts are tasty.
The Brussels sprouts were very good, but yeah, the food was just average. But the garden was really nice, right?
Yeah, very
With
pretty.
all the lights. It was something a bit special, you know. It was really nice to walk around and see. And yeah, something a bit different. So that was a nice evening.
Might be.
Good morning guys, I hope you're all doing really well. We are off to a really nice cafe that I found on Instagram. It's like a Japanese inspired cafe, so I'm quite excited. The food looks really, really good. Today is really, really warm, so I'm just in a dress. You know, I don't want to wear anything too restricting, so I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing this Realization Par silk dress. I honestly love their dresses for summer. They're just so easy to put on, and because it's a dress, it's like you put on one thing and you're done. You don't need to think about anything else. And they're great because like I don't need to wear a bra, so yeah, just nothing tight, nothing, you just don't want anything touching you when it's really hot outside. So I've got this one on. I think this is a really nice cut, and it comes in a lot of different patterns, as do all of the Realization Par dresses. And I just have it on with, of course, my Dear Frances slides because they're so comfortable and I love them. So that's it for today. I'll show you the cafe that we're going to go to because I think it's going to be really nice. And that's just one of the things I'm really going to miss about Sydney is all the really nice cafes because they're all so unique and special. So yeah, really savouring in these last couple days, going to cafes and just sitting and enjoying the sunshine and enjoying the good food and coffee. So yes, let's go.